Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to use gestures on your Google Pixel 8 Pro. These gesture controls make navigating your phone faster and more intuitive once you get the hang of them. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open any application on your device. For this example, let's go ahead and open the Settings app. This will give us a perfect environment to practice the different gesture controls available on your Pixel 8 Pro. Once you're in Settings, tap on any option within the Settings menu. This will take you deeper into the Settings interface, which is important because we need to be on a secondary page to demonstrate the back gesture properly. Now, here's where the gestures come in. To go back using gestures, simply swipe sideways from either edge of your screen. For example, you can swipe from the left side of the screen towards the right. This gesture acts as a back button, taking you to the previous page you were viewing. The same gesture works from the right side as well. Just swipe from the right edge towards the left and you'll navigate back. This works consistently throughout your phone, making it easy to move through apps without needing to reach for a back button. Next, let's explore the multitasking gesture. From the bottom of your screen, swipe upwards and hold your finger in the center of the screen. This action opens the App Manager, which is incredibly useful for switching between apps or closing ones you're no longer using. Here you can see all the applications that are currently open on your device. The apps appear as cards that you can scroll through horizontally to find what you need. To close any app, simply swipe it upwards off the screen. This removes the app from your recent apps list and frees up system resources. You can close multiple apps this way by swiping them up one by one. Additionally, from your home screen, you can swipe upwards from the bottom to access your app drawer. This gesture reveals all the applications installed on your Pixel 8 Pro, making it easy to find and launch any app you need without cluttering your home screen with icons. Finally, from the top navigation area, swipe downwards to open your quick settings panel. This gives you instant access to important toggles like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, brightness, and more. It's one of the most frequently used gestures because it provides quick control over your phone's essential functions. And that's it! You now know how to navigate your Google Pixel 8 Pro using gestures, making your phone experience smoother and more efficient. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.